Warm greetings from the High 10. It is Monday, February 24th, 2020. Want to bring you the said information pertaining to Jussie Smollett. If you need verification for the storyline, please log on to CNN. Jussie Smollett goes back to court on 6 new counts of making false reports to police. The legal whiplash in the Jussie Smollett case keeps intensifying, with the former Empire actor facing new charges. Flanked by a massive entourage, Smollett, whichever, entered a Chicago courthouse Monday for 6 new counts of making false reports to police for allegedly fabricating a hate crime. Smollett's attorney, Tina Gladian, entered a plea of not guilty on her client's behalf. Smollett was released on his own recognizance and did not have to post any money for bond. Judge James B. Lynn set the next hearing in the case for March 18th. The last time Smollett was in court, it was under very different circumstances. In March 2019, Smollett's 16 counts of disorderly conduct were unexpectedly dropped, setting off debate over whether Smollett received preferential treatment. Monday, Smollett's attorneys filed a motion to dismiss the new counts, saying they violate the double jeopardy clause. Gladian says Smollett's forfeiture of a $10,000 bond on his previous charges already amounted to a punishment. Trying to punish him again in a second time around is not permitted under the double jeopardy clause, Gladian said. You don't just get a do-over. Smollett, who is gay and black, said he was the victim of a racist and homophobic attack near his Chicago apartment on January 29, 2019. Mercy, my birthday. Shut your mouth. Chicago police investigated the case as a hate crime, but later said the actor orchestrated the incident. They said he paid 2 acquaintances, brothers Olabino and Ambabola Osandero, to stage the incident for publicity. Smollett has repeatedly denied making up or orchestrating the attack. Monday, the brothers made their first appearance at a Smollett court hearing. Afterward, the brothers' attorney, Gloria Schmidt Rodriguez, said the Oncederos regret their role in the case. The brothers are sorry for their involvement, Rodriguez told reporters Monday. The Oncederos were in court Monday in an effort to support the process, their attorney said. They're going to do everything they can to make this right. Smollett was initially indicted in March on 16 counts of felony disorderly conduct, but Cook County State Attorney Kim Foxx suddenly drops all charges weeks later. Prosecutors said Smollett had forfeited $10,000 in bail money and completed community service. Smollett's new charges came after Dan K. Webb was assigned in August as a special prosecutor to investigate how Fox's office handled the case. Based on the recommendation of the OSP Office of the Special Prosecutor, a Cook County grand jury returned a 6-count indictment charging Jussie Smollett with making 4 separate false reports to Chicago Police Department officers related to his false claims that he was the victim of a hate crime, knowing that he was not the victim of a crime, a statement from Webb's office said. Several factors went into Webb's determination, including the extensive nature of Mr. Smollett's false police reports and the resources expended by the Chicago Police Department to investigate these false reports. CNN's Bill Kirkles and Brad Parks reported from Chicago. CNN's Holly Yan reported and wrote from Atlanta. Verification for the said information is by CNN. If you need verification, because you know some of you do, shut your mouth. Well, 6 new counts. The brothers, who he allegedly knew of, were trainers to him, appeared in court today. And as I stated to you guys earlier, why would 2 people, anybody sane, anybody innocent, give said information to a crime if they weren't involved? Because naturally, the state brought something forward and laid it at their feet and said, this is you and you. You were there, you participated, you know something about this crime. You went in, went along, aided, conspired. You get my point. No sane person would go to court and waste their time spending money on a lawyer to plead not guilty unless they knew they had something on them. And they just feel like, let me go on and tell the truth and be done with it. And usually that's the best route. Instead of prolonging what you already know is going to jump off and what's going to happen. Make yourself look stupid and ignorant, knowing that someday you got to walk around, you got to work, you got to live. And that's what this fool don't understand. All the time you're wasting playing hopscotch with Chicago police and the city and the state's attorney's office. You could be out here working, putting your agent to good use, such as finding your tail a job and paying the city back that money and be done with it. And get on your hands and knees and give thanks that you're still alive. You got 2 arms, 2 legs to go to work and redeem yourself. But see, he doesn't want to be made out a liar. But see, the 2 brothers had already spun the web. So why don't you just go on and save yourself, Mr. Smollett, and tell the truth and be done with it and cut all this buffoonery and shenanigans out. Ain't nobody stupid. I don't know what your problem is, what the hell's going on with you, and oops, excuse my language, with Empire, the producers, the director. But you should have settled that like a grown-up. And if you couldn't reach some viable conclusion, resolution, you should have told them, I'm going to get my little backpack and hike on out of here. Good day. The way grown folks handle business, you see. Not pretend that they were beat up, hung, and all this, noose thrown around their neck. You were wrong for that. That was foul. But you knew that would grab people's attention. You being an African American and all. Oh, and a homosexual too. They after me. They hunted me down. It's too damn cold to be out hunting anything down that night in Chicago, boo-boo. Because let me tell you, I know about my home, and I can tell you, most folks trying to get in or out in that type of weather. They ain't thinking about what you talking about and what you orchestrated that night. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. That's the latest information pertaining to Mr. Jussie Smollett, or as y'all call him, Jussie. I didn't catch that at first because, you know, I don't really keep up with a lot of things that go on in the public eye. Don't think because I'm on YouTube I keep up with every story, but I was curious to why y'all called him that. Is there a reason? Oh, that'll be the next video? Okay. Like and share, drop your comments below. Thanks for joining me this round. I will be back. You know I will. And until the next video, this is Everyday Shenanigans. Thanks for joining me. Checking out of here. Bye-bye.